Hey guys, it's Arcade and I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna do something different. Today I'm gonna try to make a sad orchestral song. So yeah, it's gonna get very sad. I think making orchestral music on a computer is pretty hard, so this is definitely gonna be sort of a challenge for me. But yeah, I mean, we'll see what I come up with. Anyway, so let's get started. I think I'm gonna be using Nexus for most of it, because I bought the Hollywood expansion. We'll see. I have no idea how to start, but maybe I should start with a composition and just like build from there. I don't know. I'm just gonna check out some of the sounds and see. Intense. But anyways, I just don't know where to start. I think a piano would be nice. Yeah, let's use the piano and just kind of make some chords or something. I don't know. So I'm just like creating these chords randomly. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just creating these chords as I go, and we'll see what works, like what resonates with me. And if it doesn't, then I just change it. And as you might know from my previous tutorials, I don't know any music theory. Everything I do here is just based on what I hear and how it sounds to me. But since I've been doing this for a long time, it's a bit easier to guess which chords will work and which won't. Nah. Okay. Well, let's change the sound. I can already tell this is gonna be hard. I just don't think this is sad, it's more like mysterious. Maybe I should just change it altogether. It is more creepy than sad. Let's delete that. So let's just do something else. Let's do strings and see if we can come up with something here. Maybe I start with the melody first and then I add the chords. I don't know. Bad. Let's just use one note. Yeah, let's just use this note, this one note, and let it play out for a while. And I'm just gonna make a melody around the note. Okay, I think the timing is wrong, but I think this melody is pretty good, this idea, but it just doesn't quite, the rhythm is not quite right. This is not working out so far. We gotta change the rhythm now.
One eternity later.
This is the melody, I think. Yeah, that's good enough for now. And pro tip, if you want to make your string sound better, you can automate the volume. Actually, let's just automate the volume. I think like this. And this is the strings. Every time the new chord comes up, it goes up, and then another chord, it goes down. So it sounds more like realistic strings, and there's this breathing effect, which I like, so yeah, that's nice. Maybe we can add some more harmonies to the strings. Okay, I mean, I guess. I think it's kind of too slow. Maybe we should up the tempo. Okay, that's better. Maybe we should transpose the whole song down a little. So let's do like 3, 1, 2, 3. So all the notes are lower now. I'm liking it so far. The melody is good, the strings are good, but the overall sound is just not good enough. So we need to make the melody more obvious in the song, and maybe we could use a guitar. Let's maybe adjust the velocity a little bit so it's more natural. And actually, I want to do like this type of thing. Yeah, okay, that's nice. What else could we add? Okay, maybe another piano, but it will play something else. Let's see. But let's just change this to strings, I think. Where do we have like really short strings? Again, I'm getting to a point where I don't know what to do next. You know what would be really nice? Is some vocal, but I don't think that will be possible here. Maybe a flute, actually. Okay, the flute I think will work. Let's add some sort of bass notes because we only have the high frequencies and no bass really. I think this will work. I have another idea. Adding like a piano right here, but a different one. More like an arpeggio. Okay, maybe we should add a brass. I think there are two things I want to add. I want to add more strings right here and a brass. Or maybe just add more harmonies to the strings. I think we just add another one. Oh, that really ruins the mood. Okay, maybe we add the brass here, but I still want to add more strings. I think it's a lot of figuring out stuff when making this type of music. I'm just not sure what to do exactly, so I'm just guessing, and it either works or doesn't, then I need to do something else. So, a lot of trial and error, I guess. So let's find some more strings. Okay, maybe this will work, and we pretty much automated the same way as the previous one. And I think we got it. I think what's missing is some drums and crashes. So let's actually add a little bit of samples there. I know Kashmir has a bunch of orchestral stuff, so yeah, something like this is what it needs. I think that's about it. It might need more EQing and mixing, but let's just hear it for now and see how it sounds. yeah, that's pretty much it. I think it's a pretty relaxing, sad song. I think it would need a little more work if I wanted to release this. There was definitely a lot of trial and error. It's not easy to make this type of music, at least not for me, since I'm not used to it, but I think it's a different kind of experience than making like an EDM banger, you know? And yeah, as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.